Today is Monday. Welcome back to another vlog. So I just got off work. It is about 10 after 5. Today was a comical day. Like, everybody was in a really good mood today, and like all of the patients and stuff were super easygoing and like easy to get along with, easy to please. But story time. This guy came in because he dropped his glasses in the lake apparently like a month ago, and he put out a reward for anybody that wanted to dive down in the lake and get them. Okay, so immediately, like, I'm thinking that this guy is telling stories, and I still think that he was kind of sort of stretching the truth, because logically it just doesn't make sense. But he said that he brought his glasses in and he was missing one lens. And so the way that the warranty policy works, like, in order to exchange your glasses for new glasses, the warranty policy clearly states that it does not replace lost or stolen glasses. So like, you have to be able to bring back all pieces of your glasses. So this guy apparently bought scuba gear for these kids and then paid them $40 to dive down in the lake to find his glasses. And they found them, but he didn't find the left lens. So technically we couldn't replace them. And he got these glasses like a year and a half ago. So it's like getting time to need to be replaced. So he like storms out whenever we tell him that we can't replace it because that's our policy. Like, there's policies for a reason, right? There's laws and all that crap. Anyway, so he leaves, squeals his tires, is super pissed off about everyone and everything. And then we see him come back and we're like, oh boy, here we go. So he comes in, and this is lunchtime, mind you, and the doctor isn't even in the building at this point. So he comes in, he walks over to me, and he's like, so, is your old man here? I'm thinking, that's not my old man. But I was just like, no, he's at lunch right now. And then the optical manager comes out, and she's like, hey, how can I help you? And he was just like going on and on about how our warranty policy is misleading and that he doesn't agree with it and whatever. And she's like, I'm sorry. She's like, it's not our rules, it's our lab's rules, and we have to abide by their rules because we're a business. And he tells us, he's like, I am just so mad because I bought $100 worth of scuba gear, and then I paid these kids $40, and they dove down to the lake 97 times. We're just like, did you count how many times they had to go up and down? And he was like, me and 17 of my family members will not be back. He's like, I promise you that. And I'm just sitting there just like shaking my head, like, you are being absolutely irrational right now. It's your fault that you lost your glasses. And he also said that, he's like, they fell off the boat, and the reason that the lens popped out was because the screw was loose, so that's your fault. And we're just like, sir, that is not our fault. Like, he is just being absolutely irrational about the whole situation. And so anyway, Scuba John had to buy a whole new lens. So he is not a happy camper, but it was pretty funny to hear him go on and on about him having to buy scuba gear and then paying these kids to find his lens. So anyway, that's my little funny story for the day. But right now I am picking up the kids, and then I'm gonna go home. We are having pancakes and sausage for dinner because my husband did not want to grill, even though I've got hamburger in the fridge that really needs to be used up at this point. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday night. Like my new glasses, I'm just still like trying to get used to them. It's a stronger prescription, so I really should wear them in the morning. Start with a set of fresh eyes, but I don't know. I'm just trying to kind of get used to them. So tonight is Tuesday. My husband is golfing. I'm trying to figure out what the heck I'm feeding my kids for dinner. My husband is golfing, so it's just me and the kids tonight. It's actually pouring down rain right now, and so I look for him to come home anytime. So I guess my kids are just gonna have chicken nuggets and french fries like they do every Tuesday. Mom life. And then, I don't know. Oh shoot, just realized there's bananas on top of my fridge. So anyway, we're probably gonna have a banana. I don't know what else. So I don't really have anything to update. Nothing really exciting happened today. I got new glasses and that's about it. My arm hurts already. Where can I put my arm? So last night I told you about my air fryer. So I'm going to show you here in just a second. But I don't know. I don't have anything to update. I'm sorry. So here's what my air fryer looks like. It is way smaller than what I expected it to be, but I did email Amazon and they're gonna send me the correct one. So I'm excited about that. So I guess I'll have two. And then this, whoa, that was weird. Let me get this out here. So I got my mother-in-law these Bluetooth headphones. These are the Bluetooth headphones that I have, and I absolutely love them. When I bought them, they were like $36 and they were actually on sale for $20. So I will leave these linked down below if you guys are interested, but I love them so much. The battery lasts forever. There we go. So yeah, I'll leave those linked down below, as well as my air fryer, not this one, the actual one that I ordered, which hopefully will be in a couple days. And then I mentioned in my last vlog that my mother-in-law just like is one of those people that has to like zone out. So I got her these markers. It's like fine tip on one end and then a little fatter on the other end. So I think she's really gonna love it. And it comes with 34 colors, which is a lot. And then I also got her this adult coloring book. I figured this would be good for her. And here's what it looks like. Like, I almost want to order myself one of these. But anyway, I got her this for Christmas and I think she's really gonna like it. I did put a $30 budget on everyone. So I'm not spending more than $30 on anybody in my family, which is actually more than what I usually spend. I usually try to keep it under 20, but because I'm doing it so far in advance this year, I wanted to go ahead and just, you know, quote unquote splurge. So yeah, that is what I got my mother-in-law for Christmas. Okay, well, my air fryer is preheating. I'm gonna try and cook some french fries. So we'll see how it turns out. I will definitely let you know, but I'm excited about this air fryer. Don't touch that. It's hot. And I love the touch screen. Okay, so here's what I'm having for dinner. It's just a baked potato. And the kids are having chicken nuggets. Brystal is not eating. Per usual. Huh. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Is that it?
No. I am eating chicken nuggets and fries. Brystal!
So I took my glasses off because they were just giving me a headache. I'm gonna start fresh in the morning, but I think it's 6:30 right now. So I think I'm just gonna eat my dinner, relax for a little bit. My air conditioner is frozen, so we had to shut it off and let it thaw out. So hopefully by the time it's bedtime, it will be able to turn it back on. I hope. I don't know, we'll see, but it's really hot in here right now. So I'm gonna eat my dinner, relax, and then I'll probably just catch up with you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. So I just got off work. I am headed to get my kids. I don't know what we're doing tonight. Probably nothing. I'm really freaking tired. It's been a long day. There are still patients here, but I am running into overtime, so I have to leave. So, I'm going. We're probably just gonna do like soup and sandwich for dinner tonight. I just had a baked potato last night, I think I showed you. But yeah, I'm tired, and I don't even think I have anything to cook because I cooked everything already. So anyway, today was a busy day. It was long. Actually, I wouldn't call it busy. It was just very long because we were not busy all day long until this last hour when the entire town decided they wanted to come buy glasses. So yeah, it was a busy afternoon. But anyway, I'm on my way to get the kids, and then I'm gonna go home, figure out what I'm doing for dinner, and then probably just relax for the rest of the night. I wore a dress today because on Wednesdays we are able to dress up. Whoop. And I probably won't be doing it again until it's a little bit colder because I was miserable all day. Like, this kind of stuff is not breathable, and I'm just not about it. So probably won't be doing that again. But anyways, I don't really have any updates. This weekend we're really not doing anything, I don't think. Yeah, I don't really have anything to do. My grandpa did come and look at our air conditioner today. I'm assuming that he just refilled it with more Freon. I don't know, he didn't tell me. But my husband is home and he's not complaining that it's hot outside or that it's hot inside. So I'm assuming that all is well. But anyway. Hey guys, so today is Friday. I'm actually leaving for lunch right now. It's 12:30, and let me just tell you, like, the worst time to have to go out to get lunch is 12:30 because that's when everyone else is going out to get lunch. So, I think I'm just gonna go find the shortest drive-through line and hopefully not burn up all my lunchtime today. I haven't been cooking this week, so I don't have a what's for dinner to go up this week, which I'm really sad about because I know you guys love those videos, but it's kind of just what it is, right? Good morning, guys. So today is... What? I really wish I knew what you were saying. Today is Saturday. We just got up. It's like 8 o'clock. I made my coffee. Got the kids breakfast. They're eating pancakes. So I'm getting ready to sit down and make my plan for the weekend in my planner. Also need to write my meals out for the week. Brystal.
I want to stay.
Need to write out my meal plan for the week. We have to pick up groceries at 1, but I have just been cleaning up around the house. I've actually been up since like 6:30 because that's when Brystal woke up. Man, this is about to die. It's got 1% left. So I've just been like cleaning up the house, and I took a shower this morning. So anyway, we don't have a lot going on this weekend, which I'm perfectly okay with. But I do need to get some stuff done around the house. So I'm going to sit down and make my plan for the weekend. And then we'll go from there. Good morning, you guys. So it is Monday morning. I did not end the vlog any this weekend. Didn't really record a whole lot because I didn't do anything. I had 3 naps this weekend and we just kind of lounged around the house. So I don't know how entertaining this vlog has been, but I wanted to come on here and start fresh. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.